Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a new project in EasyEDA. Open EasyEDA on your computer, then log into your account. Now look at the top menu, click on File, then click on New Project. A small window will open. Write your project name, for example my first PCB. You can also add a description. After that, click OK. Your new project is ready. Now you can start drawing your schematic and design your PCB easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.